you doing?
Now, Dad, tell us, are you excited for Zootopia 2?
I'm pretty excited for Zootopia 2.
And what can you tell us about the savage predators who went savage?
Well, were they all members of the predator family? Yes, they were.
Have any other predators went savage?
Not yet.
Did you get the coins?
Have to wait till a little later in the movie for that. I got the stroller on the way up. I mean, not stroller. Whatever this thing is called. Scooter. I got the scooter on the way up this time.
What? What? Hi. I know, we're not there quite yet though. We're almost there.
We're going in, guys. You can see buildings from here. Dad, if you look that way, you can see buildings.
Right.
Welcome aboard. Thank
Hi there, can I get our last name?
Ray.
Ray and Schmidt. Disney Please welcome home the Ray and Schmidt family. Disney Destiny, please welcome home the Ross family.
Disney Destiny, please welcome home the Latino Billington family.
Disney Destiny, please welcome home the Wu family.
Disney Destiny, please welcome home the Miranda family. Disney Destiny, please welcome home the Stenton family.
Disney Destiny, please welcome home the Beaver family.
Disney Destiny, please welcome home the Busby family.
Disney Destiny, please welcome home.
We'll turn around, I'll take over the boats and that. Go that way. Right there.
Sorry. Usually our first step when we get on these cruises to go straight to the buffet, which on most of the cruises is cabanas. Here on the Destiny, it is the Marceline Market? Marceline Market. Thank you. What'd you find, Peanut?
Gary, this snake.
Is he a sipper, you think, or a popcorn bucket?
Just a second and you can see.
What does it do? It's a sipper? That's awesome.
Electro, my old friend, Spider-Man. Stealing power from a vacation cruiser? This is a new low even for you, Electro. Be right back. Where do you think you're going? What's going on? Spider-Man's in the tunnel and they're fighting! What can you see? Spider-Man pushed him into the water! Is everyone okay?
That's right. Here on board, your family and friends become our family. So come on and join our family time. Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our family time. We're happy, giving and taking to the friends we're making. There's nothing we won't do. Welcome to our family time. Welcome to our happy time. This is our festival, the golden festival. We're here to share it all. Revolution is all together. Someone's here to telling stories is what happens for real.
No streamers
question
today.
for you. Are you ready to discover your destiny? Now that's what I'm talking about. It's time to say goodbye to Florida and hello to your Disney cruise vacation. But the moment you've all been waiting for, it's time to sound the ship's horn. Captain Minnie, do you mind?
Oh, I'd love to. Will you all help me count down?
Sure will.
What fun! Here we go. From 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You see Bruno? Bruno had his fingers in a big decided to forego the fancy dinner tonight and come to Goopy's Grill for dinner. That way we could do shopping. Shopping, 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 merchandise, merchandise, merchandise.
Oh, we can have ice cream right after. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so next year we're back.